For today's word study lesson, you will need to sign onto Schoology and find the assignment that is shown here. Earlier today, we talked about common abbreviations. We referred to RD as road. We referred to CT as court. We referred to ST as street. So today, you are going to be matching up the abbreviation with the word it is associated with. You will be typing those two words in these boxes to make a match. As you can see, there are 22 matches for you to complete. We will not be clicking and dragging today, as I said. We will be typing these matches. So I'm going to do one, so please watch carefully. Right here, I see JCT. That is where I'm going to type right here. So click once in this box and copy it. Capital J, C, T, and a period. Now I need to go find the word that is associated with this abbreviation. I know that word is junction. So look through these green tiles and find the word junction. I found it right over here. JUNCTION. That is what you need to type directly next to the abbreviation. Capital JUNCTION. You have found your first match. You will continue to find these matches and make sure you use all of these green pieces until you have 22 of them. When you're done, check for spelling, check for capitalization before you click Submit Assignment.